Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing pliable fronds and getting them flexible. This matters for clean folds and fewer tears. Once selected, trim stems to about 6-12 inches and strip any sharp midribs so the leaf lies flat. After that, soak the leaves for 10-20 minutes to soften fibers. Drain well. Make your first cuts, square ends or tapered points, so pieces match visually. These initial steps set the foundation. Make sure cuts are deliberate, because rush trimming creates weak spots later. Now you move into shaping. Pick a pattern, an over-under-weave for texture or a folded fan for bold shapes, and work systematically across the piece. Once done, secure every intersection with thin twine, a small stitch, or discrete wire. Tie knots on the reverse for neat fronts. Make sure to fold edges 1/4 to 1/2 inch inward to lock them, because raw edges will unravel. As you progress, step back often and realign rows, so the overall layout stays balanced. And to finish, trim stray fibers for a clean look and apply a light coat of clear sealant or melted beeswax to prevent future fraying. Once done, mount your piece using small clamps, concealed nails, or a strong adhesive. Make sure it cures 24-48 hours before handling. If parts start to fray or loosen, re-soak the affected area briefly, retuck the fibers, and reinforce with a dab of craft glue. This fixes most problems quickly and preserves your decoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.